You see what it's doing. You see what it's doing, but that's besides the point. I just paid $1,200 for a camera. The day before said 964. I swear to it said 964, bro. The next day went up, gang. So me telling y'all this, I'm finna get a camera. When you see me, that be in your face. So you camera shy, if you don't in your face, say the time, do not hit the line. Period. Because I just YouTube. It me. KT. Coming back at you with another video. Hey, I'm sorry, I ain't said that in a long time. It feel kind of good. Feel normal to say that. Hold on, let me hit it one more time. YouTube. It me. KT. Coming back at you with another video, man. Hey, as you can see by the title, today we got an unboxing of the Canon POWERSHOT G7X Mark III camera creator kit. If you know me, you know I've been saying this for the longest. I've been waiting for this camera, bro. That's part of the reason why I've been... This nigga, bro. As I was saying, that's part of the reason why I've been kind of absent on YouTube lately. I just been studying, sitting back, just trying to upgrade my equipment so I can bring y'all the best quality possible. I promise you, bro. It ain't no excuses no more. I got a real live camera. I got a real live mic. I ain't unboxed it yet. It's still in the box. I waited for this moment so I could unbox it with y'all. You know what I'm saying? This is a big milestone for the channel. So you know what I'm saying? We have 593 subscribers right now at this moment. I got the real lick read now, so let's just see how far I take off. Ain't no more excuses though. Like I said, I waited for this moment to unbox this on camera. I have not seen it yet. I have not seen the camera at all yet. I've been waiting for this. So without further ado, let's just get into the unboxing. What y'all came to see, man. But before we do that, man, make sure y'all like the video, comment if you got any questions, anything, and subscribe to the channel, man. 6K the next goal. I mean, we gonna get 6K in like a week. I mean, not 6K. I'm talking about 6K. 600. 6K for real though, but 600. I meant to say 600. We have 593. Keep subbing up. But yeah, man, follow me on Instagram, 100KT. Is that it? I think that's it. Let's just get into it. I ain't even seen it, y'all. I swear I have not seen it yet, bro. You can see the paper and everything still in the box, bro. I haven't seen it yet. I opened it just to make sure it was in here, but I ain't looked at it yet. I wanted to do that with y'all. Y'all the fam. As you can see, you see what I'm saying? Video creator. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. This a fresh one. This is a fresh white tee out the pack. I had to bring it out just for y'all. You know what I'm saying? I've been gone for a little minute. You know what I'm saying? I had to bring a fresh white tee out the pack. Just had to add that in. But let's get into it. Man, open this, bro. Well, let's analyze the box. 4K, you know what I'm saying? Video. Got the tripod. It come with it's the camera, the tripod, with the memory card and the battery pack. We official now, bro. We're official. KTG. KT goated. KT goated. KT goated. Bro, how? Bro, how? Oh, bro, I need a knife. Give me a sec. Okay. Come with the, like I said, the battery. This the tripod. Oh yeah, I had to buy this mic as well. This came separate. This don't come with it. This pack all came together, but you gotta get this separate if you want your audio to be. You want it to be there. SIM card instructions. I don't want to wait, bro. Like I've been, you don't know how, bro. I forgot to tell y'all, bro. You don't know what I had to go through just to get this camera, bro. I ordered this camera at least 3 times. The first time I ordered it, it was around my birthday. My birthday April 14th it passed. If y'all didn't know, you know what I'm saying? Spell happy birthday in the comments if you ain't tell me, you know what I'm saying? But I ordered on my birthday, they was sold out, so I couldn't get it. So I had to wait. Then a couple weeks later I ordered it from like a photography website. It was legit and all that, but it was saying like it's gonna take like a month or 2 to get here. So I'm like, dang. But I ordered it and I was just waiting. And then like a month later, I went on the Canon website and it was on there. So I'm like, what? Had to go ahead and cop. But I feel like I ain't, you know what I'm saying? Like, I was just overly geeked to get it. And now it's finally here, bro. My heart kind of racing a little bit. Cause like this, what they say in High School Musical? This is the start of something new. It feels alright to be here with you. Oh. Nah, let me stop playing. Oh. Bruh. Just take a second to analyze, bro. Like, this is beautiful. How turn on? It's actually dead. This smack though. I ain't gonna cap. Analyze it, baby. Canon G7X Mark III. Yeah. I heard you could flip this up. That's what kind of one of the selling points for me. You could flip this up. Turn that motherfucker. You see what I'm saying? You could flip it out. I'm sorry if I'm being dramatic. You just don't know how long I've been waiting for this camera, bro. How y'all bleed? How y'all bleed? Yeah, bruh, it's not turning on. I ain't charged it up. My fault. I ain't charged it up. But let's get into the other stuff. Let me hold on. Let me charge this up first. Where the charger, bro? Bro, where the charger at? Where's the charger, bro? Bro, where's the charger? I tweet. You gotta charge the battery like this. While this charging, put this right here. While that's charging, we're gonna open the other stuff. Got the tripod. This is the tripod that came with it. That's another main reason why I wanted to get the actual creator kit, because it already came with all this. I ain't have to buy it separate. I could have been bought the camera and got everything separate, and then I could have got it here in like a week, but I wanted to get it all at once. Hence the creator kit. See what I'm saying? Like I mentioned earlier, come with all this. It come with everything already. It already come with everything. I'm putting you down. Twin. So if you're watching this as a person interested in getting the Canon G7X, I'm putting you down. Get the creator kit. But I ain't gonna lie, it ain't really that many creator kits. So get it if you can. I think you screw this at the bottom like that. I don't want to put on. Let's see how it just see how it looks like that. Oh shit. How you turn this? I don't want to break it, folks. Like, I don't want to break it. Like, why it ain't going up, bro? Why is like that? Oh, I'm funny. That's how you do it. Oh. Eee! How y'all bleeding? Eee! Oh, bro. Oh, yeah. Get the mic for y'all. This the mic. It's a Malky MCN1. Got the little furry thing. I'm gonna put it all on there for y'all. Might as well. You put this in here. Yeah, hella rain on me, bro. Open the door. Open the door, bro. Open the door. Fuck you locking the door for? Cause I'm recording, nigga. Fuck, nigga.
Wake me up at 9:30.
Wow.
Yeah.
Don't, bro. How I'm bleeding though? How I'm bleeding? This smack. Mercies don't smack. I'm keeping this in there. I hope you know that. All this gonna be in there, bro. You know what I'm saying?
King all kings, you know what I'm saying? Greatest to ever do this shit, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, put this on there for me.
Long with that boy.
Put this on there. Like put it in there. Yeah.
Put it where?
Put that in there. Like, push it.
You slow?
Exactly. You're not even going. It's decent though.
Man, 30.
Not all the way in there.
You in that room, man. 30.
Bro, it's not going in, bro. I don't think that's how you do it, bro. I know y'all want to see it turn on and all. I might fast forward all this. What a cord. Oh, this is another battery pack. Let me put this on first. I don't know how to set that. I'm really just doing this shit. I swear to God. I don't even know what I'm doing, bro. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm not gonna carry down. I'm just putting this shit on there. I swear to God, bro. Hey, give me a second. Let me go watch a tutorial video. Come back to y'all. Real soon. I decided to just keep recording this raw footage. Cause I know when people first got their camera, they probably was the same way. So I mean, we're just gonna figure this out together on camera, bro. But how the fuck do you do this? I believe. Oh, it say mic right. Oh, man, it say mic right here, bro. It literally says mic. Like, what the fuck, bro? I'm saying though, like, what's the? Oh, this ain't even. Oh, I'm tripping, bro. I'm tripping. This not even a mic. This the mic. You put that in here. Put that in here. And then you put this in here. But how the fuck? Where do this go? You supposed to clip this, like, this supposed to get clipped.
Hey, let me get a charger.
I don't have no charger, bro.
I need to use it though.
I don't have one.
Let me use this one.
Nah,
Well,
I
I need to charge my phone though while I'm asleep.
Bro, I need that.
For
bro.
what?
For my phone.
What's your phone on? Something decent. That's what I'm saying. You got other chargers. Give me another one.
I don't have another charger. That's my only charger.
So you don't got no other charger ever.
What you mean ever?
Well, you know where it's at. It's gonna be charging my phone. So you need it.
Yeah, this nigga folk. It's so ghetto. Bro, why the fuck do this shit on? They was putting that bitch on the side, like over here or something. I'm ready to turn it on, bro. Then I put the battery in, folks. No, that's the flash. How you put the battery in, dude? I ain't gonna lie. How do you put the battery in, folks? I know it's like somewhere like right here. Give me a second, folks. Yeah, I'm not gonna cap you down, folks. So after long watching, searching, I figured out I don't even have all the correct pieces that I need. Well, it's supposed to be some, like it's supposed to be like a piece that like going like it's supposed to basically be like this, but like it's not gonna stay at the bottom for it. It didn't come with like what's the point of me buying a creator kit if everything don't come with it, bro? Now I gotta order the piece separate, and the piece ain't gonna be here for like another couple weeks, but whatever, bro. That's just for the mic. That's just for the mic. I guess I ain't gonna have no mic until the end, so we're gonna have regular quality. It ain't gonna be A1 quality, but it's just gonna be regular quality. But I put the battery in there, so let's just go ahead and turn it on, bro. I don't wanna make y'all wait no longer, bro. I'm finna, see what I'm saying? Making me set the date. What's today? I'm not in London, broski. See, look. I don't know how much I can really show y'all. I'm in the USA, bro. Chicago. Here you go, right here. Chicago. Okay. Okay. Today, what, June? I go down, goddamn. Today, June, what, 10th? I'm just setting it up, you know what I'm saying? It look decent though, for sure. I'm gonna try to get y'all the like the camera difference. Give me a second. I'm gonna skip this. Ooh! Okay. Come on, folks. Be smooth, bro. Be smooth, folks. Look how this look. I know y'all can see that. I know y'all can see it. Hold on. Y'all see me? Hold on. Y'all see me, right? Y'all see me? Up at it. Now look at the switch. How I press record on this bitch. Damn, SD card. Come on, bro. It's like, why is it just so much stuff that just gotta be like, bro? I just want to pick up record, bro. Now I gotta put the SD card in this bitch, bro. Damn, bro. Yeah. This shit get colossal. This shit get colossal. This shit get colossal. This shit get colossal. We chop out the chop house, we left and we getting that money. We chop out the chop house, we left and we getting that money. Shit get colossal. Now where I put the SD card, folks? I look good as hell. Cut away, nigga rat. How I put the SD card in this bitch? How do I put the... Do I put it under here? Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. You put it under here where the battery at, folks. You put it under here where the battery at. I don't want to put that bitch in the wrong way. Yeah, that's how I go. Just like that. Alright, okay. Now it's ready. Now it's ready. So y'all damn, oops. So y'all y'all see me, right? Now ready? Bro. For yes it, bro. No car in camera. It is, bro. The car in, bro. Oops. I turned it off. Nah, it should work. It should work now. It should work now. Alright, y'all ready? 3, 2, hello. Alright. 3. Come on, bro. 3, 2, 1. YouTube. Game, boy. No, I ain't gonna count. This clear. This hella clear. This hella clear, boy. How look? Yeah, I know. I'm a 10. What you say? I'm concentrating in the rat kick standing in my day bottom. No any for and me over the overly geek, bro. You don't know how long, bro. You don't know how long I've been waiting on this, bro. I'm saying, like 1 to 10, how the quality look from the phone to the camera. I'm not gonna cap to you, twin. I ain't gonna cap you down. But damn, I don't got the mic, bro. That's the only thing I don't got the mic, bro. But I'm super geeked. I'm satisfied a little bit, bro, but I'm not really satisfied because I can't even use the mic. But I mean, y'all still gonna be able to hear me, but y'all ain't gonna be able to like that A1 precise quality. But besides that, everything else cool though. I ain't gonna cap. I ain't gonna cap. It was a lot of moving pieces, a lot of all that, a lot of all this. You know what I'm saying? But ultimately, I actually fuck with the actual camera itself. You see what I'm saying? This is a kind of ghetto unboxing. My brother came in tweaking. I don't got the piece. I had to stop to learn how to try to put the mic in, all that, bro. But ultimately, I'm like, it just got me geeked seeing this because this shit hella clear, bro. Video's finna go stupid. But no, though. I'm gonna have to get back up with y'all in another video because the mic not here, bro. I'm gonna have to get back with y'all, bro. But I'm gonna go ahead and throw this unboxing together for y'all. Hopefully, it shows you if you want to get a G7X, get a G7X. If you don't. I mean, you see, I think my money was well spent, bro. But thank you for watching. I'm finna drop more videos after this, bro. Just stay tuned, stay glued. KTG for the win. KT goated. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on post notifications. I'm coming, dropping back at the back. Y'all see the tattoo? I'm finna. Hell yeah, but we'll give out y'all another video. Appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe. Hope I helped you. If I didn't, oh well. See you in the next video. Ganger. And if you ain't subscribed,
your mom's a hoe.